Good afternoon friends, and welcome to the mid-market update from the advisory desk. Today again it was a stellar opening after the outcome of the elections yesterday, which happened in the afternoon, and it was again the BJP which had a thumping victory over the Congress, 3-0 clear defeat in Chhattisgarh as well as MP and Rajasthan. Now Delhi hasn't hung assembly as of now, so it might be a re-election kind of thing in Delhi because Aam Aadmi Party has been a spoil sport for BJP. Now the first party to lead in Delhi is again BJP, followed by Aam Aadmi Party, and the last one is Congress, which was kind of thrashed by a lead margin of votes. Now this has led that amongst the foreign investors as well as the local investors to show some kind of a relief and a positive optimism amongst the market that if BJP comes into power, Narendra Modi led government would kind of definitely be kind of improving on the reforms, and the policy paralysis would be definitely be on the action part. So that has led to the Nifty opening to the all-time high, and in the Nifty futures it touched almost 6480 in the morning when the market opened. As of now, right now as I'm talking to you, the market is open and kind of up by almost 312 points on the Sensex, and the Nifty up by 100 points. Nifty has kind of corrected from the high in the morning that we saw, but it is again very good and holding on to the gains led by banking again. We have seen kind of buying in capital goods like BHEL and L&T, which is up by another 3 to 4.5%. But if you look back from the Jan 2008 to 2013, when the last time it was the high, the pharma and the IT sectors are the biggest gainers, and from the pharma we have Lupin and Sun Pharma, which have gained almost 500 and 419% respectively, followed by TCS, which has given a returns of 300% in the IT pack. Rest all other kind of high beta stocks and sectors like banking as well as oil and gas, we have real estate, infrastructures, all have given negative returns. It's only the pharma and the IT pack that have given positive returns. If you consider the Reliance Industries, Bharti, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, L&T, all have given negative returns of anywhere between 30 to 55%. Even talking on the mid-cap index has given a negative return of almost 28%, and small cap is even more worst. It's down to almost 55% since the Jan 2008 levels. So this cannot be called a kind of a broad market rally, but a very stock specific as well as the sector specific, where all the investors have not been benefited till now. Friends, coming back to the today's market, even this kind of strength has led to a rupee being more strong today, and it has kind of 61.08 trading versus the US dollar. Now if the data does come out good in the January, then we might see rupee strengthening more to 60 or below 60 levels versus a dollar, which is definitely good for the market as well as the Indian economy. We have a couple of other important data that are coming up next week. On the 17th December we have the Fed minutes meeting. On the 18th we have our RBI monetary policy meet. Still we are expecting a 25 bips hike in repo rate, but we might have some surprise from Rajan. So we need to wait and watch. Till then the market would be definitely volatile, but the buyers have kind of turned positive at the bid. That's all the update we have. We'll get back to you more in post market. Thanks.